Hello viewers, welcome to Happy Streamers. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. Let's see how to do that. First go to facebook.com, then log into your account. Now from the top right corner, click account, then go to setting and privacy. Then go to setting again. Now on the left menu, you will find your Facebook information. Click there. Now on the last option, you will find deactivation and deletion. Click view. Now if you want to delete your account permanently, click delete account. Read that. This is permanent. When you delete your Facebook account, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your messages will also be deleted. Then click continue to account deletion. You can download your information by clicking download info. You can also transfer your copy of your information. Then click delete account. Now write your password, then click continue to delete your account permanently. That's all. If you find this video useful, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.